Okay guys, I'm going to show you the cheapest and lightest way to protect your fairings, to protect your, your extra large fuel capacity tank, and to protect your fairings. So you could do this with any bike, any fairings. I've gone and bought this vulcanized rubber. So this rubber is like, I don't know, 3 to 4 millimeters thick. It's the kind of vulcanized rubber that you get in the back of a ute or in the back of a van. It's like a mat that you put on the floor so that you can, just throw your stuff in the back of the van. And it's, really resilient to tearing and, giving up. And, it will take an absolute beating. And I've got some double-sided Gorilla Tape. So this Gorilla Tape is good for indoors and outdoors. It's waterproof. And so just to prepare the rubber, what you want to do is you want to cut out the template that you plan on using. And then you want to just take the shine off with like a wire brush. This helps it stick to the double-sided tape a bit better. And then what I've done on this side already is that I've cut out a bit here. I've peeled back the sticker, and I've, got the rubber put on the side of the tank here because it's the most exposed side with it sticking out so far. And then I've rolled the sticker back over the top of it. So underneath, you can see the rubber's there. So that will give it an extra layer of protection. And you can do that on any plastic part. And the stickers will stick quite well to it as well. If you wire brush it down and give it a rough edge, the stickers will stick onto it really well. But yeah, that will just help it in the situation of, a small drop onto a sharp rock. That rubber will absorb all those sharp edges and stop it transferring through to the tank pretty bloody well, if you ask me. Obviously, it depends how fast you're going, but with the fast ones, what does save you, So this is kind of light, and this is cheap, and you can do it to any bike. Let's go ahead and do the other side now. So that's what the rubber looks like, stuck on. Ain't going nowhere, look. Nice and solid, extra protective layer. That's like putting a shoe sole on the side of your petrol tank. That's gonna take a lot of damage before it damages the tank. And then carefully, if I can do this with one hand. Oh. Carefully. It's just a sticker in it, really. Put that over there. Look, I don't care about the stickers. I'll just buy new ones if they peel off, but what you could do is you could just cut across there for the extra difference so that it sits nice and tight, but whatever, really couldn't care less. These things tend to come off eventually anyway. But yeah, that is done. So what I'm going to do now is just going to get the outer area that sits on the outside of the crease. Leave the inside clear so you can see your petrol. But I'll just do this one. And yeah, you can see that the rubber is sticking out enough to perhaps make a save on some expensive damage there. You don't want to be leaking petrol on an adventure. But yeah, I mean, Cheap, easy, it's better than nothing, right?